to get onto that big beautiful ship right there.
We got green beans. The curry is always the best on all the cruise ships.
There was a duck in the corner. So we are heading out.
Alright, so here's the chicken piccata.
What is up, guys? Good morning. My name is Carson. It's really bright out here. That's Sammy, and we are the complete couple. Today, we are boarding the Norwegian Getaway for a 9-day cruise through Northern Europe, and we're going to take you along for the ride. If you haven't seen our last few episodes, go check out 48 Hours in London. Go check out 48 Hours in Portugal. Tons of great content there. We're going to take you guys onto the cruise. We've got so many cruise vlogs coming at you. We're going to do a tour of the boat, tours of all the buffets, show you all the action on the ship, and then show you tons of Spain, tons of France, Netherlands, Belgium. We got so much coming at you. Stick around. We'll see you guys at breakfast. Where are we going, babe?
Going to the boat. But I think we almost went to the wrong port. Just so everyone knows.
We did. We almost went to the wrong port. It's a big ship. The Norwegian Getaway. Now we're going to see how easy it is to get on board here. Here we go. Mine does look a little long. To get onto that big beautiful ship right there. Lisbon, Portugal. Alright, we're in line. So this is how they do it here. Alright, dropped our luggage.
Pretty easy.
Thank God. Don't forget your luggage tags. We forgot ours and we asked the concierge to print them for us. So we got a lot of them printed, which is great. And then we stapled them at the hotel because there's two separate lines. So if you got here and you forgot your luggage tags, you had to wait in a long line to get them printed.
To get it filled out.
So thank God we didn't. Oh, now there's a long line up here. Look at this cool thing. This lady's passing out samples of ham. She's gonna go over here and cut it. This is at the cruise terminal. Oh, she left. This is like a restaurant at the terminal here. I've never been this close to a real piece of ham. Or I guess it'd be prosciutto. That was kind of crazy. It's literally just right here in the line.
All right, so we got our room keys. Fun fact, they do not put the room number on there anymore. So for security purposes, they don't put the room number, any digits of the room number, not the last two, nothing. So memorize your room number. And we thought this was pretty funny. This store is called Happy Wife, Happy Life. So we're gonna look around it while the others check in.
That's where Sammy wants to go because she's always a happy wife. Here we go. Oh yeah. Wow, you guys look like you guys should be a couple. We made it. So we're on the boat. No, this is the Garden Cafe because we're not on Royal Caribbean. You need a bar.
But look at this. I got green beans. The curry is always the best on all the cruise ships. A Mongolian. That didn't look good, but it was already in my hand.
Yeah, but you know what they had up there, which you didn't see, which I'm gonna go get, is they have a homemade pasta bar.
I saw a pasta bar. It didn't look that appealing. The sausage didn't look like it.
What'd you get, Brady?
Caesar
salad. He's been dying for a Caesar salad for like days.
Yeah, you know, sometimes they have the pesto sauce. Today they only have marinara and Alfredo, so I was like,
yeah, it's only white or red.
So get a bite of one of those for me. Let's see. Try the curry. The curries are only pretty good. Is it good or bad?
It's actually kind of sweet.
Really? Ooh, I'm gonna like it.
Here, look. That was like barely any rice.
Oh, that is good. I'm gonna get some of that. Now we're gonna eat up. Alrighty, so we are on the boat. I just gotta get one more video of Lisbon. I mean, it kind of looks what I would envision Greece. Santorini, the way it's staggered with all those. And look at the line. It is 3 o'clock now, and the line has not gotten any better. Room's all ready, so we may go up to the room here in a minute and go get in there and go relax for a moment. I've had quite a few drinks. Sammy is on her third drink, and she hasn't drinking any of them because she doesn't like them.
Mojito was too sweet, and I thought this was
Mojito was too sweet. Then she went and saw a sign that said,
well,
hold on.
It was draft.
She thought it was a sour, so she got it.
Beer.
But then she ordered it and realized it was rye and rum. And it's really sweet. Don't make yourself sick. And we're just hanging out, so what have we booked so far?
Super important, when you get on the boat, you have to remember everybody has 2 specialty dining packages in their thing. Everyone, so you're talking 4,000 people are trying to get reservations. Everything is full. So the first day you need to go make the reservations, otherwise you are totally screwed. Norwegian makes you reserve for their big shows. We went day of, 1 of 4 showings already sold out, cannot go. So go make your dining reservations, make your theater reservations, otherwise you're screwed. And then we also did the sea day painting canvas
with a twist,
which is gonna be fun. And then you paint like painting with twist.
$35 a person.
Yep, but make your dining and make your shows, otherwise you're screwed. Tomorrow's show is already sold out. And we got on the boat we did it at 1.
Unbelievable.
And
You're
look,
right. We were the
people.
first ones on.
Yeah, no,
So-
you get screwed.
All right, so that's the game plan, and we'll show you guys the room.
Alright, ocean view balcony.
Here it is.
Ocean view balcony. This room has been cleaned.
We have not been in here yet. 9740.
Cleaned and sanitized.
This is gonna be our first time on this vlog that we actually do like
feel
a.
free.
This is gonna be like an opening. We've yet to see our room. Normally we walk in and then I do a room tour. We're gonna witness it at the same time. Here we go. Always remember your room key goes in there to turn the lights on. So here's the room. That doesn't look like they made the bed very well. All right, so there's that. You got a couch, a nice couch. Here is our television, phone.
Oh, because we are gold members, we get 2 waters and a little.
We're gold members,
thing.
guys.
We get 10% off sports.
We got 2 waters.
We
Color
have
me,
a cocktail party.
color me rich.
And we get 50% off 1 bag of laundry. That is important. We're gonna keep this.
That we are going to use
That
actually.
we're gonna keep it there.
Let's see our balcony here. Whoa, whoa,
They're
woo-wah.
so small. Where were we just on that was so much bigger?
Oh my God, these are tiny.
Really tiny. I mean, beautiful, but really small. Really small balcony.
We fit 2 people out
I don't
here.
really know, to be honest.
There's the boarding. We were just literally over there. Alrighty, room 9740. This is a standard ocean view balcony. As you walk in, you are going to basically open right up into the bedroom here. Nice long vanity mirror, floor to ceiling basically, so Sammy will probably take advantage of that. Right as you walk in for our cabin room, this is probably switched depending on what side you are. You have got a bathroom, pretty standard bathroom. So you walk in here, watch your step. 2 towel holders. We have got soaps, places for your drinks if you want to hold them. Additional spots to put your toiletries right there. That's kind of nice. I like the shelf there. Toilet, sink, large mirror. Now as we turn around here, this is going to be our, honestly, one of the larger showers. I'm actually kind of impressed by the shower. I've been on a lot of cruises. This one's actually a little bit bigger than normal. I mean, let's see, let me get in here. Kind of a nice shower. So there's your shower. So that is your standard bathroom. Now as we walk out, you're on your right hand side. This is your thermostat, just so everybody knows. So we just turn it all the way down to nice and cold. There it goes. I just heard it kick on. Alright, so as we walk in here, got a standard bed. Got Sammy sitting on a couch.
Nice couch.
And there's our balcony back there. On the right hand side here, a little tight. I'm kind of disappointed how they actually did this. It's a little tight here to get to your clothes. Standard safe, a couple shelves, a coffee maker up top. It's kind of odd. And then areas to put your luggage and hangables. I'm just saying, look at that. That's what you got to go down every time to get to the closet. I'm not necessarily a fan of that. But, needless to say, so there's your bed, nightstand, couch, tons of plugs. Now, we are over in Portugal, but this is a NASA-based ship. So these are U.S. standard plugs, which is kind of nice. Phone, television, full mirror, and then outside balcony. Kind of a tight balcony. I would say that's about a 3x9, maybe a 3x9 balcony would be my guess. See what we've got underneath here. Fridge with some waters, and then storage. I like how much storage they put on this ship. They've done a nice job with storage. I would say so, honestly. The storage is really nice. Bathroom was really nice. The only negative I have on this whole room is that walkway right there. I mean, give you an idea. My foot is a size 10. I mean, I don't know. It's going to be a nightmare walking down that every day. So, only negative in my opinion is that right there. Other than that, pretty impressive with the room. So, there's your room tour. Standard ocean view balcony. Alright, guys. So, couple things. One, kind of cool, which I did not realize. When I booked this, I have played in their casino, not much, but a tad. And kind of cool. They left us a letter in here that said, if I present this in the casino, drinks are on them, and that includes water. Which, sorry, Sammy's. If you have the drink package, the water bottles and energy drinks are not included in the drink package.
Right.
However, this letter states that in the casino I can get those for free, which is kind of cool. Also got my card. So positives. On a negative note, I'm going to pull you over here and just see if you can hear what our room. Let me just see. Let me just pull over here. I think they're band practicing.
They are.
Which is scary as hell because we can hear it like it's like in our room. Hold on. Do you guys hear that? It sounds like it's directly above us.
And I just wanted to pop in to say the video doesn't even do it justice. It actually sounded like it was coming from the inside of our room.
Oh my gosh, there was a symbol.
Live cam.
Live action, live action.
He doesn't even know I see this yet.
I don't know. Oh, no freaking way.
So I'm sitting here eating my half hot dog, and I see this.
There was a duck in the corner.
And I pulled it out, and it says, whoever Chris and Tina, if you're watching, yippee, today you're in luck because you found our special duck. Keep or hide, you decide. Now search the getaway everywhere to find the perfect hiding place and bring a smile to someone's face. Hidden by Chris and Tina.
No way, dude. What the heck? That's so crazy, dude. Right there.
Nice. I found
Nice.
it.
We found a duck. Let me see it.
Chris and Tina, if you're watching, comment down below.
Look at that. That's so crazy. You think we planted that? That was so awesome.
I swear to God, I'm sitting here and I'm listening to the stupid music and I'm like, what? You can hear me when you started listening to it. I go, what?
Sammy just said,
like,
Sammy found a duck. That's so awesome. We're going to have to replant that somewhere.
Yeah, we will.
Alright, so since we just found this, we're going to leave the tag on it, but we're going to fill out the back. We're going to put found by. You got to leave room for them to comment something.
I'm going to. It's really hard.
Alright, so we're going to fill it out, and then we're going to hide it. We'll show you guys where we hide it.
Recap. When we booked through Norwegian, they had 0 shore excursions for us to do because we were a party of 7. Don't ask me why. We booked the only one that they had available, which we did not really want to do in the first place. Then we found Get Your Guide. Shout out to them. Not sponsored, but I've had a great experience with them. Booked like 4 excursions with them. Everything piece of cake. We then called and canceled said
like a week and a half ago.
Excursion. Probably 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Geraldine had to call in for her room. Got it canceled. Cody had to call in for his room. Got it canceled. I had to call in for my room. Got it canceled. Everything was good. He said refund. Everything was going to be fine. Here's our shore excursion that we canceled. That now says we have 48 hours to cancel without getting a fee. And it's tomorrow.
So we're going to go down there and have that. Well, as you guys can enjoy this drum solo music, we're going to go handle the shore excursions. So we'll see you guys there. Alright, so, yep. That'll go in the bloopers section.
Thank you.
Alright, so we went down to guest services, waited what feels like
an hour.
45 minutes to an hour.
I would say realistically 45 minutes.
The excursion desk was actually not that long, but they did show up there. Super easy. We turned in the tickets.
You have to show the physical tickets, no refunds for credit cards. Does not go back on your credit card. It can be used as an onboard credit, or you can go to the guest services tomorrow and get cash.
So those are your 2 options.
They were really easy about it, honestly. No harm, easy.
No harm, no foul, so that was easy. As far as our room, she thinks it's a rarity and not going to happen again. We are going to have to wait until 8 o'clock this evening to see if it's going to happen again. I think it's going to all night. She will get back with us at 8, and then we can go from there. So that's what's happened. We got a drink, we're going to walk around and see how it goes. Just went under the April 25 bridge. That's what he said it was called after the revolution. So we are heading out. Well guys, just like that, we are changed and we are going to head to dinner at the Tropicana room, but Sammy had to get her poll of the day ready. I like that, that's a good one. Where are you from?
Yeah, I want to get the idea.
Yeah, I like that. So we are in the Tropicana room. It is slammed for dinner. Alright guys, made it. So this is first night here. So we got appetizers, we got crispy crab and wonton, shrimp cake, bruschetta, seafood gumbo, onion soup, salad. So these are your classic entrees. Shrimp fettuccine alfredo, 3 cheese ziti. Featured entrees, sirloin medallion, sounds good. Chicken piccata, wow, I rarely see those. Pork spare ribs, nice. Looks like for an upcharge you can order from Cagney's. A ribeye, a New York strip, or a filet. And there's your wine recommendations. So we are going to order some food and take it from there.
Cauliflower soup was a hit out of everybody. Really good.
Cauliflower soup looks good.
Everybody at the table liked it actually. Really
Yeah, cauliflower soup was good.
Cheese platter with fruit.
Platter, yeah.
Any good pieces of it?
I just had a piece of
Pretty good. Really good. Brady, what did you have?
crab and cheese.
Oh, wonton. How is it?
Pretty good.
Those are the appetizers.
Alright, so that is the lobster. It's a cheese ravioli with a lobster sauce. It looks pretty actually. Let's try it. Let's see.
We're on the staircase.
It's okay. That one's okay. I'm not sure about that one.
Alright, so this is the Caesar salad. This is the Greek salad.
Chicken piccata. It does
Which
look like...
I've never had a piccata on a boat in my life. Ever.
It looks kind of like a pancake.
It kind of looks like a pancake batter.
It does, actually.
So it's very interesting.
Mom also got chicken piccata.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, recap. Caesar salad, very good.
Caesar salad, good.
And
That's
they love
good.
their Greek salad.
Canyon got
Shrimp scampi.
shrimp scampi. Let's see you get a bite of that, Canyon. Okay, good. Average. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, well, that's good. That's the steak medallions. I got a New York strip.
The
Cagney,
yeah, Cagney flavor.
So that's an upcharge for like what, 15? 15. And that is the strip. So Carson was gonna get the sirloin, but the server actually said this was better. So I was surprised because this is on their classics menu.
Wow, well,
That's every night.
it's like blue rare.
Wow, that's pretty rare.
Can I have it medium rare?
You walked away. It is really
Maybe I just
rare.
eat it?
Well, just wait a second. Just have them refire it.
Look, they took it out of the freezer.
Oh, that's like raw. Holy, we thought yours was raw. That is super raw. You guys, you have no idea. That is like dripping like raw. Alright, so
Let's
here's
see
the
it.
chicken piccata. Kind of, you know what? I had a little bite. It kind of tastes like the sauce you get in the buffet.
Yeah.
The fettuccine alfredo. But it's not a chicken piccata.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more like chicken, a little breading, and like a fettuccine sauce.
There you go.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Just not chicken piccata.
Good to know.
But chicken alfredo with...
Good to know. There you go. Alrighty. There it is. Came back. Way better. Way better. So, alright, now we're going to eat up. So we did something tonight that we rarely do.
Dessert.
We got dessert.
I'll be honest, overall food recap, because we're going to forget when we get out of here.
Yeah.
Everything, watch our other vlogs, I'll recap it here. Here's our channel, we go to a lot of cruises, okay? Take my opinion with a grain of salt. Anyway, it's been average.
Yeah, the food was a...
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Not bad.
No, it was like a 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. It was very average. That may
So we'll
change.
see how the rest of the cruise goes. It was pretty
So
bad.
since none of us were really full, because we all just kind of tried.
Yeah, so we got dessert.
We actually got dessert for one. So that is supposed to be the lemon sorbet, but it's looking
It
real
looks-
pink.
I don't know about lemon. It looks
It's
more like
here, let's see,
strawberry
hold
or
on,
cherry.
let's see.
The guy told us it was lemon.
Pink lemonade.
There you go. Okay.
Pink
well, that was
lemonade.
right. The apple pie, which actually looks pretty. It's the warm lava cake.
And creme brulee. Very good, but a little cold.
There you go. And then I got a double espresso with Irish cream. So can't have dessert without that.
Very good.
There you go.
It was a little warm
All
to
right,
be a 10.
well, we're gonna eat up. All right, guys. Well, we hung out in the casino, played our hearts out, drinking some drinks, having some good food.
No, I'm sad. I messed up, okay? I did the US, France, UK, and Spain. And obviously, we have Finland, Denmark, Hong Kong, Peru, and Cuba. I couldn't have guessed right.
You totally messed up so bad. So
No one from the France, UK, or Spain are on here. But Finland, Denmark, Hong Kong, Peru, and Cuba are here.
unbelievable. You did so terrible.
Still so fun, but I totally screwed up.
So we're gonna call it a night, and we will see you guys. When are we gonna see them?
Tomorrow morning.
Hey, remember to
in
what?
Vigo, Spain.
Listen, remember to hit that like button.
My voice is going away. Hit that like button. Oh my god, you're swerving because the boat is
Hit
rocking.
that subscribe button. We will see you guys tomorrow.